of the Philippines, Department of Education, Region 10, East 2 District, Division of Cagayan de Oro City, Noah's Ark Christian School Foundation of Cagayan de Oro First Assemblies of God Incorporated, Academic Performance and Character Awardees, presents Recognition 2020, Kindergarten Department, Nursery Level, Almonia Mary Crucilane L. with Honors, Kinder Curious Award, Self-Care Award, Sporty Kid Award, Most Friendly, Most Cheerful, Regmac Hadasha Faith C. with Honors, Kinder Curious Award, Young Dancer Award, Self-Care Award, Most Punctual, Young Singer Award. Kinder 1 Tablon, Dilman James B. with Honors, Budding Scientist Award, Most Punctual, Most Friendly, Kinder Curious Award, Most Active, Makiling Raylin G. with Honors, Potential Composer Award, Most Honest, Sporty Kid, Most Generous, Most Trustworthy, Bakulyo Kendra B. with Honors, Pastors Award, Most Cheerful, Star Reader Award, Neat Kid Award, Ortega Bethany Alice B. with High Honors, Budding Mathematician Award, Young Singer Award, Most Cooperative, Artistic Hands Award, Villanueva Ana Amaris S. with High Honors, Young Dancer Award, Most Hardworking, Good Communicator Award. Kinder 1 Nazareth, Ruelo Nika Krian M. with High Honors, Kinder Curious Award, Awesome Artist Award, Budding Scientist Award, Most Cooperative, Most Respectful, Ohas Hugh Darwin J. with High Honors, Star Reader Award, Budding Mathematician Award, Budding Scientist Award, Batang Manunulat, Most Punctual, Most Industrious, Umalon Jeho Nathan S. with High Honors, Sporty Kid, Star Reader Award, Awesome Artist Award, Most Diligent, Uwano Ezekiela C. with High Honors, Star Reader Award, Neat Kid Award, Pastors Award, Most Generous, Escalante Zephanie Marie R. with High Honors, Graceful Dancer Award, Star Reader Award, Pastors Award, Most Thoughtful, Rodriguez Crystal Kate B. with High Honors, Sporty Kid, Good Communicator Award, Kinder Curious Award, Most Kind, Sakin Natalia A. with Honors, Good Communicator Award, Star Reader Award, Kinder Curious Award, Most Polite, Lumictin J.N. Grace D. with Honors, Neat Kid Award, Pastors Award, Budding Mathematician Award, Most Behaved, Balisado Prince Limuel L. with Honors, Graceful Dancer Award, Young Singer Award, Budding Mathematician Award, Most Cheerful,